Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now.
I just had a cleaning and checkup with Dr. Yang. Everything went 100% smoothly. The front desk staff was friendly and welcoming. The waiting area is clean and comfortable with a nice assortment of reading material even though my wait was pretty short. After the assistant called me back to the exam rooms, there was no wasted time. Quick x-rays and then Dr. Yang provided a checkup and cleaning. He was very efficient, but also thorough and personable. I give this office 5 stars, without hesitation.
We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.